I'm Sashrita. I'm the team lead and these are my teammates.
I am the Yubhayati. I am the one of the team member.
I am Yashvaska. I am one of the team member.
And I am V. Tejashni. We are from Lendi Institute of Engineering and Technology in the streams of Electronics and Communication Engineering.
The problem that we are interested in solving, and we came up with an idea of making people avoid direct contact with regular users of switches in colleges. The motivation behind this idea is to make people get an awareness on things like the direct contact of switches on regular users places like schools, colleges and public places, etc.
We are implementing a smart contactless switch by using some combination of components with Arduino.
So the idea that we came up with gives the cost impact on the public and also it is affordable price for common people and it is low maintenance with a low price. And thank you.